In 2025, ChatGPT has become a powerful tool for generating significant income online. Making $500K in 6 months is achievable with the right strategies. Creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, and software is a quick way to scale income. Use ChatGPT to research trending topics, generate ebooks or courses that solve specific problems, and sell them on platforms like Amazon or Udemy. Affiliate marketing can generate passive income, and ChatGPT helps create high-converting content to promote affiliate products. Research high-paying affiliate programs, generate targeted content, and optimize for search engines using ChatGPT. Offer ChatGPT-powered services like copywriting, social media management, and content marketing for fast scaling. Create high-quality content using ChatGPT and monetize using ads and affiliates once you gain traffic. If you're an expert, use ChatGPT for automation and content creation to offer high-end consulting or coaching services. Monetize YouTube with ChatGPT by creating engaging scripts and content to earn through ads and sponsorships. Automate tasks like content creation and customer support with ChatGPT to scale your business quickly. With dedication and smart planning, reaching $500,000 is within your reach using these strategies.